Here's the balloon blaster tool and balloon. This is water
this
polo,
is it.
made with a baseball of this size. Then put this on the faucet. Drink so much. It's as big as a small apple. Then this is a 5 and 6 inch ball. Put it in the big ball. This is a 10-inch one. Put it under the ER big ball for a base. This is a remote control to burst the balloon.
But the manual set does not contain this can.
This is the 36 inches of the big ball. This is an electric balloon machine. This is a tool, ball breaker, and this is helium. Fixed. So fixed tightly. This cutter buckles on it. Big ball. Install press above. Buckle in a circle. What about using this electric balloon machine? Blow this big ball a little bigger. The big ball blows big enough. You can measure it with a ruler until you blow it.
Blow to normal diameter.
About 60 to 70 centimeters. I'm blowing about 65 centimeters. And this circumference is 210 centimeters. Helium. How to install it when it is turned on? Tighten the black part first. Hold on tight. Then open this main valve. Twist it around. Try it. Try helium. Lift up. To vent. Okay, try blowing it. Be sure to tie the knot when tying the knot.
HMM. Pull
Then
the
push
balloon
and hold this
nozzle.
knot inward. Pull it tight so it floats longer.
Install this.
Install this trachea. Plug it in this end. Install that inflatable head. Okay. Try again. This black head. To adjust, the adjusted balloon just holds it up. The head of the balloon is pressed against this root. And this place, hold him. This is blocked. Hold. It won't run out of breath. Resist this black circle. Squeeze it tight to keep it from running out of air.
When plugging in,
It will leak air. This is normal
so is that.
when plugged in. Then press and hold this helium as soon as possible to inflate. Okay? If you push
He
it up
won't
like
leak
this,
air.
put your hands on him. Plug it in. Blow. Then hit. Hold it with your hands. Not. Push and pull. Balloon nozzle against black.
Squeeze tightly with your
Don't loose
hands.
it. And don't loose it when inserting it. If you push it up in this way, the thighs will not run out of gas. Cut the big ball. If you run out of gas,
If the big ball
you
gets
can continue to
smaller,
replenish. Okay, keep blowing. When you insert it with your hand, then go faster. Press the balloon nozzle. If that ball is small, refill with gas. Make up the diameter of this balloon too. About 65 centimeters. 60到70厘米. Almost 65 centimeters. His diameter. His circumference is
A little over arm eaters and arm
2 meters
eaters.
and 2 is okay. It's okay to be this big. Put this balloon nozzle. Wrap it around. Go around 3 times. Fasten. Set this aside again. Such a big ball is about to be ready. Then make the baseball. Move smaller. If it is big, it is easy to explode. Too tight together. So big. Blow it down. We're tangled together. Okay. And then this. What about this water polo? And this big ball? The two can be tied together. Put these for more balls. Fixed in the middle. The water ball wraps around this baseball. It's fastened like this. Okay, this big ball. Here it is. So let's fix this controller. A big ball is ready.
What if you need a remote control
To install the
plastic?
remote control. Install the remote control, and that's it. You can try this first. Turn on the switch and 2 lights will come on. Then press this remote control. This is a B, and D is the master controller. Press D. It will heat up. Take a look. Press the remote control. It will heat up and shine.
It works like
Use
this.
this to iron a hole in this balloon to pop. When pressing the remote control, be sure to press it to loosen it. Don't keep pressing until it doesn't come loose. Before it is officially used, just be sure to charge it. Charge it. That is, turn on the switch and the light is on. Then plug this charging cable in. On the other side, just plug it into the charging head of the mobile phone. Then its light will flash when charging. If you want to fill it up, the light will not flash. Try it out. When installing this, you can turn this switch off first with this little clear glue. Don't use that wide transparent glue. Use this small. First of all, this side is not this side. Attach the balloon, but the location is also very particular. Don't post this location in this place.
It will also
If you want
cause
to
a
post it in
little
this
movement
place,
without exploding.
It's about 20 centimeters
should
or
be
more
posted
away
down.
from the balloon nozzle. This one is about 20 centimeters. Then fix it in this position. Up, between this position and this. The top doesn't work either. The top will also move a little and cannot burst. So it's best between this. Stick to it and find the location. Tight. What about the antenna below?
They've been a long time.
Then you can fix it on this base. To prevent this big bowl from bursting and give this controller to run. I can't find it when I run because this can be collected and recycled. Fix this antenna on the base. It's fixed like this. Then keep it from loosening. Fix it with transparent glue. Fix it again. Fix it again. Prevent it from loosening. That's it. Turn it on. Just press this switch when you need to blast. Okay, let's try this. I call 123. 123.